I made a video a little while back of me cleaning the Orbot Vibe driver, and I'm going to do that again today. The last one, I filmed it sideways and it turned into a short and it cut half of the driver out. So pressure washer, this one's 2300 psi, and on the gun I have the spinning tip. I think that really makes a difference. Oh, and also stuff a rag or something in the between the driver and the frame of the Orbot, and that'll keep it from spinning. Doesn't get any easier than that, guys. I spent so much time just picking that crap out, but this is it. This is how you do it. If you have a better way, let me know. Just so you know, I've got like 3 or 4 backup drivers because I could never get them clean. There it is.